Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your wallet is unlocked and showing the account you expect. This prevents accidental disconnected states. Next, check the network dropdown. The D app's chain must match your selected network, otherwise the D app won't connect. Also, make sure your browser hasn't blocked MetaMask pop-ups or extension requests. Grant site permission to access the extension. Once those basics are set, attempt a fresh connection from the D app to trigger the permission prompt and move to detailed troubleshooting. You should then disconnect the D app from MetaMask, open connected sites, and remove the entry to force a new handshake. After that, clear the site data and the extension cache in your browser to remove stale tokens or corrupted states that block handshakes. Once done, restart the browser and try connecting in a private window to rule out other extensions interfering. If the D app still fails, open the browser console to capture errors and prepare for advanced fixes in the next step. Finally, update both MetaMask and your browser to eliminate known bugs. Older versions often cause connection issues. If that doesn't work, disable other extensions one by one. Privacy or script blocking tools commonly interfere with provider detection. As a last resort, export your seed phrase and perform a fresh MetaMask install, then restore the wallet. This clears corrupted extension state. Troubleshooting tip: if you restore from seed, double-check the seed phrase and never enter it into website.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.